how to delete a playlist on Spotify. Welcome back everyone to a new video of 1-2 Step. In this video, let's learn the quick process of deleting a playlist or an unwanted playlist on Spotify. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's get right into the video. Open up your Spotify app and then tap on the Your Library option, which is on the bottom, to view all of the playlists that you've created. Now to delete a certain playlist, you just need to tap and hold on the playlist, and this menu will open up where you'll have an option of delete playlist. You can just tap on this option and your playlist will be immediately deleted. This step cannot be undone, so once you delete your playlist, it cannot again be restored. Secondly, you can also delete it within the playlist. Open up your playlist, tap on the three dots, and again here you'll have an option of delete playlist. So that's how easily you can delete a playlist on Spotify. Be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up if you guys found this video helpful. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for any of the new videos that we post. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.